Hey y'all, you been warming up your mowers? Cause I haven't. Well, I did my 42-inch in the backyard back there, but I gotta do my 52 right here on the trailer. I haven't mowed for like since today's Wednesday. I haven't mowed like all week, cause all my customers I'm like losing them little by little because we're in fall and already done most all their leaves and pine needles, but we just had a storm and so more leaves fell. I still have a couple of customers, and today's the day I'm supposed to service like about 6 yards. Two customers called me back that I serviced previously beginning of the year for like a leaf cleanup. So I'm gonna go back and do a leaf cleanup again. One was 300 and the other one was it's gonna be a possible 400. So that's $700 right there, y'all. Okay, and two customers. All right, so hey, the work's still out there. Okay, hey, but let's I'll check this mower real quick. All right, I say maybe like three attempts will probably start. Let's check it out. All right, put it on, give it some, choke it up. Nope. Nope. Like 20 degrees for like 2 days, so it got real cold. All right, there we go. Oh, almost, y'all. Warm up for a little bit. If it's real cold out, y'all, a big good idea, like start your mower up for about like 20 minutes, okay? The last time I mowed was Friday last week. Today's Wednesday. The temperatures were like in the 20s and 30s, all right, for like the past 5 days. All right, but hey, is this video educational to you? Is it a good tip? Leave a comment, all right? Hey, how often do you start your mowers when on the off season? All right, leave a comment, okay? In the off season, I put fuel stabilizer in all my fuel jugs I haven't used. I do like empty out disconnect the fuel lines from the mowers and put the fuel in jugs. If I know I'm not gonna use it, I at least keep one mower though ready. All right. I have 2 0 turns, a 52-inch and a 42-inch. I usually empty out the 42-inch, the fuel line. All right. I'll disconnect that and I'll empty that out in the fuel jugs. All right. If I have to use it for some odd reason in a small gate, then I'll just put fuel back in it. But other than that, y'all, AllCoastLawncare and pressure washing. All right, I'm gonna let that warm up for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna move it, take it off, put the 42-inch in there, and then put the 52-inch back in there. I'm gonna run with 2 mowers today. I have one of my customers has a small gate, and he has like a lot of leaves in the back. I'm gonna have to mulch. But hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe. Hey, but leave a comment, okay? Hey, thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.